I have several family members that are medical professionals, and they were telling us really sad stories of what was going on in the hospitals. And so we were taking social distancing very seriously. We were collecting masks and donating those to the hospitals. We were making masks. We collected supplies to take down to the Navajo Nation, which really got hammered by COVID. So we were doing everything we could to show our kids that even though things were different, we could still be resilient and help our communities, uplift our communities to really get us all out of the pandemic. So we were fascinated with the clinical trials and the news that was coming out from all of the news sources showing this incredible progress with phase 1 and phase 2. And they were releasing insanely high efficacy numbers. So when it came to phase 3 for all of the COVID vaccines, it was just a matter of getting more numbers built up in the clinical trials so they could show that they were robust enough to be unleashed on the public. So when it came to that point, I thought, oh yeah, I'm going to enroll. So I signed up, but it really was just to add a number, to help hasten the work so the vaccines could reach the market as soon as possible.
Wow.
Because they were supposed to end the pandemic, right? They were supposed to get us all back to normal. And I was more than happy to enlist in the fight.
So you got your vaccine, you got one, right? Is that the way
Yep.
it worked? You just got the first one, and then what happened to you?
So the clinical trial was actually a 2-dose series. And my reaction started with the first dose. When I went in, the drug company had signed a contract with me that if there was anything to go wrong, they would help financially and medically if there was an issue. And that helped reassure me in the process. It's like, oh, they're willing to put this in writing. This is a reasonable company. They've done clinical trials before. Okay, cool. So I was reassured going into it that this was a sound process.
Did they put a limit on how much they would help you?
No, there's nothing in the contracts that says anything about limits.